Hello everybody, in today's video I'll be showing you how to recreate this AI girl's makeup look on a brown skin tone. So let's begin. Mix the foundation together to create a shade that matches your skin tone. Start spreading the foundation throughout your face. Use a wet beauty blender to blend the foundation. Just remember to dab the beauty blender to blend the foundation. Take the concealer on the back of your hand and use a small flat brush to apply it throughout the face. I usually apply the concealer to conceal the parts under my eyes and to lift my eyes. You can follow the steps I've given, or you can also use the concealer in places that you want to apply. After letting the concealer sit for a few minutes, start blending it out with the beauty blender. Start by drawing the base line for your eyebrows. And then fill the ends of the eyebrows first. Take the other side of the eyebrow pencil and smoothen the lines out. Take the lighter shade compact on a beauty blender and place it right under the eye. This helps lock the base while also highlighting it. Use a large fluffy brush to settle the color correcting shade throughout your face. Now take the base shade on a small fluffy brush and start spreading it throughout the eyelid area. Once the eyelids are covered, bring the eyeshadow slightly toward the eyebrows in an upward angle. Place the highlighting shade in the inner area of the eyebrows and slightly blend it so it appears highlighted but natural. Pack the dark shade on the outer end of the eyes and bring the shade upward toward the eyebrows. Take a small flat brush and place the shade on the aegosal region. Take a small amount of the eyeshadow in a flat brush to draw the aegosal. Be sure to connect the aegosal at the outer end of the eyes to make it appear more natural. Now outline the upper waterline with the kajal. At the outer end, extend the kajal slightly to draw a wing. Start the kajal slightly away from the lower lash line. Now take a flat brush and smudge this kajal. For the eyeliner, just draw the outer wing with a pen liner. Start facing the 15 mm lash at the end of the eyes and then place another 15 mm right next to it. Place the 13 mm right at the center of the eyes and then followed by 11 mm in the front. Apply the mascara just on the lower lash line to extend it even more. Start applying the blush at your cheek and then drag it inwards towards your nose. Tap a little bit onto the nose too. Repeat the same on the other side. Draw 2 straight lines starting from under your eyebrows to the end of your nose. Connect the 2 lines with the U at the end of the nose. Follow your jaw shape and contour the jaw areas. Cover the entire lip with a lip liner. Take a beauty blender and remove the excess color from the lips. Coat the entire lip with the orange lipstick. You can either use your brown lip liner or an eyeshadow for this step. That's the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to watch my other videos, they are linked right here. And I'll see you next time.